Couple of quick tips you can try to stop the annoying belt squeal that Dodges are famous for. The pulley above the clutch fan is known to squeak a lot. The tensioner pulley bearing is also known to squeak a lot. So they all look like this. They have a little plastic cover. It's a little bit of a pain to pop it off, but it snaps right back in as long as you don't destroy it. I use a little pick tool you can get from Harbor Freight for like $5, maybe more now with inflation. Open it up. You can spray it with some brake clean or not. Pack it with some grease. Put it back together. Should get rid of your squeak. There is a number on here. If you feel like you want to press out the bearing and you can get the new bearing, get the one with the blue seal, it won't squeak. Hopefully this tip is useful to y'all, as I hate this squeak, and this is how I solve it whenever I have the truck apart. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, because eventually I'll make some cool content. I am insane.